Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make Kadai Chicken. With very few ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen, you can have the exact taste that you get to enjoy in the restaurants. So let's marinate the chicken. Here I've taken half a kg of chicken and I'll be showing you the ingredients that are required for half a kg of chicken. For the marination, you need to add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, chili powder and vinegar, each about a teaspoon. A very simple marination. I marinated the chicken for about 6 to 7 hours. For the gravy, I have taken 1 large onion chopped into dices, 1 capsicum, another 2 large onions finely chopped, and about 2 to 3 tomatoes medium size thinly sliced. I've started to fry the chicken. I'm not deep frying them, just a shallow fry will do. Even if it's half cooked, it's okay. We are going to add it to the gravy and cook it again. To the same oil that I've fried the chicken, I'm adding in the onions. Add a bit of salt so that the onions get cooked fast. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for another 5 minutes until the raw smell goes off. Add in the tomatoes and saute well until the tomatoes shrinks. Now add in 4 to 5 tablespoons of chicken masala. Any brand will do. Here I've used Shakti chicken masala. We are not going to add any other masala to this gravy. Close the lid and cook well until the oil separates. Now the oil has separated and it's time to add a chicken pieces to this. I've soaked about 100 grams of cashew nut. You can even soak them in hot water or you can just soak them for about 5 to 10 minutes and grind them to a smooth paste. We'll be adding that to this gravy. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of kasuri methi and let it boil for about 15 minutes. After 5 minutes, add about 2 tablespoons of soya sauce and 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. In another kadai, add a little oil and fry the diced onions and capsicum for about just 5 minutes. You need not deeply cook them. We're just going to add them to the gravy for an extra crunchiness. Mix everything well together and our kadai chicken is ready. This is very easy and simple to make. It's so delicious. Please do try this once and I hope you will keep trying them. So hope you all enjoyed watching the video. I'll be coming up with more such new recipes. So bye bye until I meet you in my next video.